Hello. My name is David Isamoje. I'm the owner and founder of What a T Shirt Design. Yes, for those of you that asked me for my real name, this is my real name, David Isamoje. You can follow me on Instagram. But in this video, it's gonna be a fast one. Hope you guys are giving yourself the social distances you need. Please do that. Matter of time, we'll be all okay and we can move around again. But for the meantime, please, I want you guys to keep yourself safe. I love you all. I don't want no bad news for you guys. I don't want negative news from your family members. I want you guys to be extremely happy. So please, let's just keep our safe distance. Stay home. Be happy. Watch a lot of my videos. If you have to, just be safe and don't come out. Let's go through this together, and by the grace of God, we'll pass through it. Please don't click off. I'm getting into the design right away. I just want to say thank you to MONEY. Thanks for subscribing. Yeah, I do this every video as long as YouTube updates it. I'm going to give a shout out to my new subscribers. So if you're just watching for the first time, please make sure you subscribe and let's get straight right into it. So we're going to be using Canva for this, but before then, I'm going to go to a site called Flat Icon. This is where I'm going to get my element from. Make sure you always give credit when you use flat icons. Make sure you always give credit, except you're using the paid premium version. If you're not, make sure you give credit. So for this, we're going to search for bike. It's going to be a bike theme. T-shirt today. So this is the process I'm going to go through. It's going to be a 5-stage process. So please follow me. The first stage, finding the design. So we'll just find the design and then we'll move on to the second stage, which is the design itself. So we'll just keep scrolling to find a bike, a good bike we can use. Okay. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, we can use this. So this side is going to go, I'm going to download these 3 because I'm going to use these 3 in my design. So let's start from this one. Always make sure you give credit. It's super important. Always make sure you give credit. So I'll download this. Remember, by free pick, this is a designer, so always make sure you give them credit. So you download this. Sorry if my voice is low. I'm just trying to push this out for you guys. It's hard times, but I want you guys to be happy, have something to watch daily, a new video to watch daily. You can back on and just practice. So I'll download the next one. Just wait for it to load. This is the next one, so I'll click on PNG. It's still by free pick. The 3 of them is by free pick. So as you can see, I'm giving them credit that way by just flashing in their name. I'm giving them credit. So to download this, download that. So now we're done with the first stage. Now let's move on to the second stage. So the second stage, we're just going to open canva.com. I'm going to use canva.com for this design. I'm going to be using canva.com for this design. It's going to be a super easy design, nothing complicated for bikers. For people who love to bike, who love cycling, they will love to get this t-shirt design. It's not a complicated t-shirt design to do. It's super easy to do. So just follow me on this journey while we do that. So now we'll click on create new design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. So just click on create design. Click on create designs. And now when it's done loading, we just come to upload. See this left hand column, just scroll down and click on upload. Please, if you're just joining me for the first time, I would advise you watch these videos to the end. If you are a returning customer, you know the way we do it. Watch the first 3 steps, don't miss any step. Like you saw the first step, this is the first stage, this is the second stage. So please always make sure you watch these steps. So we'll go to downloads, bike. So now we just start from this one, we'll come to the second one and the third one. So click on this and open to import it. That's the first one. We'll go on to the second one. Go on to the second one, click on again. Now we'll go on to the third one. And we'll click on open. So now we have the three loaded. So what are we doing next? We are just taking our design into the layer. So we're going to do that one after the other. So just click on it, the first one, we drag it up, we drag it up. So you can see we reduce this a bit, move our mouse to this edge and press our left mouse click button. We'll just drag this a bit. We'll just drag that up a bit. As you can see, it's too much, so we'll bring it down. And now we'll bring in the second one. So now we'll bring in the third. Bring in the third one. So now we have that. So we're done with the second stage. So all we have to do now is to click on downloads. You see, we can download transparent background. That's what we're going to talk about in the third stage. So please make sure you stick around. So you just click on the download button. With the free version of Canva, your download will always come with the white background. But that's what we'll work on the third stage. So let's just make sure we have our design ready for us to work on the third stage. So just click on that. So this is it. We'll just wait for it to load. We should have it. Yes, this is it. So just click on it and open in Photoshop. If you have Canva Pro, you might not need to go through this stage because you have the opportunity to remove the white background straight right from canva.com. But if you don't have the Canva Pro and you have Photoshop, then you can do this stage which I'm about to show you. This is the third stage which I'm about to show you. It's super important, super easy, not complicated. You can just go through this stage. Make sure you follow it gently. You need patience though. You need patience so that you don't miss out on any single part. So now you just click on the folded paper. It says create new layer. Click on it. Then you click on layer 0. Then you move over to your left hand side. You see this magic word 2. It's like a magic stick. You click on it once. Then you click and remove every white. Just click on the white. And once you click on it, it's going to get that off. So you see we've gotten the background totally off. But if you notice, we still have some whites in between the tires and the shapes. So go over and remove that one after the other. So this is why I say it might be complicated for you at first, but once you get used to it, you will love the process. So just do that for all other white boxes or white circles, as the case may be. Follow me, please. Just keep following me. Keep following me. Don't click off. We're almost done. We're almost done. So now we'll just save this. Remember to save it as PNG because now we've removed all the white background. All the white background is off. So you want to save it as PNG. You want to save it as PNG. Let's make sure all the white background is off. As you can see, I noticed I missed out on some white background, so I'm going back to get that off. I'm going back to get that off. So now we have that. So now we can see no more white in it. So just make sure you go through it and just observe. So we save it as, this is going to be, save it in pictures, bike. I'm going to call it bike and I'll save it as PNG. I'll click on save and OK. Remember, this is the third stage. Once we're done, we'll move on to the fourth stage, and there you can decide to click off if you want or just follow me to the end. So now we have it downloaded. We'll just go over. Now we'll go over to pictures again, mockup. As you can see from my channel, you know I use this very mockup. The anger mockup is my favorite. I love it. It's quite simple. It's simple to use. I really love it. So I'm going to be using it here. So I'll just delete this too, and I'll bring in our design. Go to pictures and find my bike. This should be it. So just wait for it to load up. As you can see, so I'll just drag it into this space. You can see it's quite big, so I'm going to reduce it. So to do that, I'll over my mouse to this edge and press down 3 buttons: my Alt key button, my Shift key button, my left mouse click button. I'll drag my mouse inward to reduce. If you drag your mouse outwards, away from your left hand or from your right hand, it's going to give you either a reduced style or an increased style. So just make sure most of the time you drag outwards to reduce, outwards to increase, and inwards to reduce. So we are reducing, so we are dragging inward this time. So when we're done, just press enter, and now we can go back to file and save. So when we go back now to our design, we should have it on our shirt. As you can see, it's on our shirt. We have it on our shirt. So this is it on our shirt fitted. So now the final thing you want to do is to change the color. So you see where it says t-shirt black, most times it's on white. As you can see, it's on white. I want to leave it on this white for personal reasons. I just think I love it on this white. But most of the time bikers won't want to wear white shirt because they think it will get dirty. But for the fun of t-shirt, for the casual wearing, going out, having fun, I love to leave it on white. So now I'll just go over and save this. Go to save as, and I'll go to pictures, do bike. So now I'll just go save it as JPEG now. Save it. So the final thing I want to tell you, which is stage 5, which is the part where I give you my comments and opinion, is that if you want to promote this on Instagram, on Pinterest, what you have to do is, after you're done uploading it on Redbubble, TeePublic, you can then go and pick the full 3D mockup they give you with humans in it, and look for Instagram page related to cycling, and just message them, tell them you want to promote your match, and let them give you the price rate for putting it on your direct post or stories, and you guys bargain. Once you bargain, make sure the page is a very attractive page, has good engagement. Then you give them, they promote it. You're rest assured to get some sales, and once you start getting some sales from Redbubble and TeePublic, they'll start promoting you automatically, and that's what you want at the beginning, to get that snowball effect. So without wasting much of your time, if you love this, look to your right, you get more videos, tutorial you can watch them, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Please stay safe.